Hey, shalom. Shalom. You guys, look at the plants. Wow. Yes, Most High Christ bless everyone. Hello. Look at my plant that I got that was half dead. Remember that in the last video? Cousin, sister, whatever you want to say. You guys, they are doing good, right? Welcome to Deborah's Dream Homestead. You guys, the garden took a hit. Look. All of my, and if it didn't, something's been eating on my daughter's watermelon. I just wanted to get on here. Those are marigolds we planted. This is some basil. It's getting awfully lengthy, so I'm gonna mound it up right there. And I'm thinking about changing out the bed because this is just something. I just scrapped wood I had trying to make a bed. The rains, right? Did we not have the rains? Look over there in the water. I'm gonna keep that rainwater though because of the transplants and the some of the new plants that I got. I did the tree, and as I said, it's so beautiful. I remember it was looking dead. I'm hoping to put a clip right here. If you guys, if I put that clip right there, say Mama learned something. Say she done learned something. Say that in the comments. And let's talk about this rain, y'all. We done got everybody. The garden got flooded out. Oh, bee, stop. Oh, goodness gracious. It's a bee, you guys. I don't know what. Ah! Why? See? Aw. Trying to, and the darn bees are out. What are you trying to do? I don't think I put on anything smelling good, but I guess I did. But, what was this? I forget. Sage. I'm going to try and mound, I believe that's the spinach, back up, and then I'm going to seed again in the bed. And I'm going to see how that goes. The rain's washed it out. Y'all tell me in the comments what did you guys experience from the rains. Is that a worm? Is that a worm? No. Darn it, I thought that was a worm. Yeah, what did you guys experience from the mighty rains that we got? I know some places it's been flooding. Our prayers are going up for the people dealing with the floods. Ah! Will! Ah! God's will. Okay, I'm back. Welcome to Deborah's Dream Homestead. That bee was trying to get me, and I'm like, I just finished talking up for the bees because we need them for our ecosystem. But why are you trying to chase after me? I just finished trying to just mound over or head up or however, so the sun doesn't get them too bad till I can come back, hopefully with a netting. As you guys can see, something was eating at the watermelon, right? What in the heck? I mean, look, just nibbling. And some of them, you know, I covered over, but they kind of ate up. So I haven't pulled it yet, but I'm gonna just see what I can salvage, if anything, from these. But I also got some leaves. I didn't want to really put leaves on them yet, because I'm gonna reconfigure the garden. I think I'm gonna make a bed, a high bed, right? A raised bed, because my back. And that I have to also. So I'll see how to do the raised beds to make them cute, but I need a lot of room. I've got cucumbers right here. I got some pumpkins I thought I might want to germinate for the fall. And I'm just gonna, is it a truck coming? Might be, it sounds like it, from the road. But yeah, and I transplanted again, as I said, that pot. Gonna do this, but bee shook me up a little bit, y'all. And so the trees, I'm so proud of them. They're looking so good. And I did finally get, I have so many transplants to do. I have been so abundantly blessed. I'm like, wow. And then look at so much. Those are the daisies over there. I had to try to, they're everywhere though. There's some there. Look back there. There. I don't know what that little yellow patch is. If they're calling it weeds over there, I'm going to call it a plant. Because when did people decide that they were weeds? When they wanted to sell insecticide? I don't know. That's pretty. That's pretty. Why not have that just grow? And then those over there's a lot of those sprinkled. More daisies. So I seen some stuff. Look. Is that how it grows over there? That little short one? No, tell me, what is that, a weed? I would take it. That's cute to me. Well, it's a. We got stuck back there the other day. See the tire tracks? It's my bright idea to take the vehicle before the storms. Now, I do have this side. I gotta fix the sign there. It fell. Got that from the storm. But here's another transplant like I have at the house. But I may have to cut these down. No, or take them back. Because to me, they're not really doing that great over here. This needs, because over at the house, I put them in the shade. And they're doing so much better. But that's doing pretty good. I'm going to have to prune that down, I think. I'm not sure if this is anything growing up that is anything, but because that was a rose bush. Or maybe it's this. Forget what that was. I'm going to have to look it up so I can label it. But this is going real pretty. It's a transplant. Not a transplant. I bought it. Autumn Royalty. Oh, look at the purple blooms. It's supposed to get out. I don't even know what I bought, y'all. I just liked it because it looks like it's a hedge. Full sun, 4 to 6 hours. Direct sun for best blooming. See if I have to move it though. But it's doing good. $8. I wouldn't do that. This right here I got for $5. That's a rose bush. And what's that, a peace lily? Oh, I got so many of those. Watch, you guys. I'm going to be transplanting. Whew. All of these are my transplant I bought from over at the apartment. And I don't know why, through the storm, it fell over and started growing this way. So I'm going to have to try to transplant it because I wanted to. It was so upright and looking so nice. Like this one. This one didn't fall over. Maybe I need to get rid of that No, that's something down there by itself. So I guess I'll let it stay. Or is it a part of? I need to cut that back though. And that. Okay, well. So if it doesn't move, I'll let it stay. May cut it a little bit of green right here. Is that nothing? I don't really have a green thumb. I just want to have one. So yeah, but it fell over. I picked this one up, and I don't have to repot it. I stuck it in there because I was like, well, maybe it won't be its permanent home, and now I see it won't. Well, it won't, because when I get over that rose bush is looking, I'm gonna put it in something deeper, but it looks so good to me without me even pruning it back yet. Yeah, so that's the little garden over here, you guys, and I still want to go and walk the land. I haven't done it yet because I'll be in my back. And that's why I'm going to build this raised bed, because hopefully after I do that, I'll have a bit of energy to go and show you guys some of the plants, right? It rained, as we all know. So it's been challenging to get over here, even in the last, 3 days, 4 days away. And with some cute flowers. I'm gonna organize some of these. And some of them growing wild. I may leave a wildflower. Excuse me, patch. Excuse me, you guys. That shoulder. If you have shoulder pain, I didn't put any Miracle Rub on it. I do have it. Kind of helps, but tell me what you used in the comments, and you know, I'm gonna still garden. It helps the shoulder a little bit. Gotta get some exercise in. But I'm gonna walk over here, you guys, on the land here. Just look at the daisies. How pretty. Even amongst, and I gotta hurry up and get them because I want this bush hog and cut down, but look at, they'll get cut down. I don't want all of them. They'll come back next year till I get the land. And these, I cut around these over here. Look, I'm gonna walk y'all over here. Let's see what we got besides the ant mounds. For those of you who've never seen ant mounds, this is, are we seeing them? The sun, I apologize for that. It's an ant mound right there. Let's see if this one is active. Nope, they down in there, y'all. Y'all see them holes? Step on it. And watch why they go quickly. It's almost like an instant. I want to show you all up here before I let you guys go and look at this ant mound. Make sure we know to walk around it. Look how big it is. You guys, it's kind of active. I see it. You see it? Them fire ants get on you. Your butt. Oh, they're eating some molly bugs in there. Or them, what they call, roly-polies. Is that what they are, y'all? Go ahead, come on, let's engage, y'all. We out here with nature. Tell me what them things are. Look at all the daisies. So that's what I was saying. You guys, a little bit of the flavor. Guys, it is going to be some exciting times here on the homestead. Deborah Dream Homestead. Here is another bunch. Gotta watch where I'm stepping. But look at those. When I cut the grass, I cut around them. If it's a weed, I don't care. I'm going to keep it. And some over there. Just like I kept it right there. It looked like it might be from the, it's a daisy. It's a daisy. Look at that one over there growing. And the yellow ones are gone now. They were all through the field and everywhere. Some back there. Yeah. So you guys, just a little clip of the plants update. You see the trees are doing so nice. I got some new plants from my cousin. So right now I'm feeling a little weak because I'm dealing with gut issues. My gut doesn't like me. I hope I ain't stepping an ant now. Something's on me. Should have had my shirt on. I bought a long sleeve shirt and I don't have it on. I'll see you guys in the next one over at the apartment. Shalom. Whoa. Hello YouTubers. Look guys, I met a friend at Walmart. So we're here at Walmart.
Hello,
right?
hello.
You guys see the Walmart sign. I don't have it right, but you guys look. We're looking at plants. He's about to start a channel. And he's thinking about naming it
Ivo the Great.
See? Ivo the Great or the Great Gardener, right?
Yes.
He loves gardening. He loves plants. And he has such a passion. He inquired of me, right? So we're looking at plants back here. And he was saying that he loves this one right here. We found a sale. There you guys go. You know I'm still learning with this camera. So since I'm still learning, you guys are still tolerating me. We're still all good. But I just wanted to get on here and encourage all the new YouTubers. Just take that step. Take that step of faith. And, you know, quit denying yourself, believe in yourself, and just taking a little slogan from Nike. Just do it. Have fun. You know, it's not that serious. Nobody knows me. You guys hardly even watch my channel anyway. I've got like 36 those subscribers. He's going to be 37. And you know, you guys, I do go in sometime. But you can show me a little love. Like, I'm learning. Like people who learn, who want to learn. So I may blunder the camera a lot. I've got interesting content today because we're going to collaborate and we're going to do some things together. So you guys stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And you guys, you know I am working on an apron, 2 versions. So I'll share that with you. And we'll see you again here on Deborah's Dream Homestead. Bye, guys.